Hello friends, pranam to you all. I hope all of you are keeping fine. Friends, today we are going to have some important multiple choice questions from the chapter Manufacturing Industries. Let's see the first question. SAIL stands for, SAIL stands for. We have four options in this question. Steel Authority of India Limited, Steel Association of India Limited, Steel Assets of India Limited, Small Agriculture of India Limited. Friends, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is A, Steel Authority of India Limited. You might have seen this symbol also. Now, question 2. Which of the following are the main advantages provided by cities to industries? Here again we have four options. A, market and services. B, agricultural products and minerals. C, power supply and minerals. D, suitable climate and financial support. We know that B option, where agricultural products are written over there, that cannot be associated with cities, and minerals also are not there. And power supply and minerals again, because mineral is there in C option also. And D, climate. So that is why we can easily rule out B, C and D option. So A option is your right answer, market and services. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Oil, OIL, Oil India Limited belongs to which of the following types of industries? A, public sector. B, private sector. C, joint sector. D, cooperative sector. Yes, what is the answer? Yes. Children, this answer is joint sector. C option. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following is related to the centers of iron and steel industry in our country? We all know that this is mainly concentrated in Chota Nagpur region, Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Bokaro, Durgapur, Salem, Burnpur, Bikaner, Jaipur, Gwalior and Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Amritsar, Ludhiana. What is the correct option, dear friends? Yes, hurry up. Any guesses? Yes, the correct option is B, Bokaro, Durgapur, Salem and Burnpur, because all these four are the large iron and steel plants in our country. And A, C and D are not famous for iron and steel industry. That is why B option is correct. Now, next question. Which of the following is or are related to agro-based industries? In this question, we have four statements and we need to find out of these four statements which are related to agro-based industries. Number one, they are dependent on agriculture for raw material. Number two, they are dependent upon minerals for raw material. Number three, they are significant metallurgical industries. Number four, they support farmers. Dear friends, what should be the correct answer? A option, A, 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2. So, is it right? No. Why? Because in statement 1 we are talking about agriculture, in statement 2 we are talking about minerals. It can be either agriculture or mineral. So that is why this option is ruled out. 1 and 3, B option. In third option again we are talking about metallurgical industries, so that is also ruled out. C, 1 and 4. Yes, it can be correct. What is your answer? Yes, C is right. 1 and 4. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Which of the following is a consumer industry? As we have done, some industries are basic industries, some industries are consumer industries, which provide their products directly to consumers. A option, iron and steel. B option, copper smelting. C option, electric fan. D option, petrochemical. Yes, what should be the answer? Yes, you are right. C option is correct, electric fan. Why? Because electric fans are directly provided to the consumers. A, B and C in a way are supporting other industries. Okay, now question number 7. TISCO, TISCO. TISCO belongs to which of the following types of industries? Actually, it is the old name of or former name of Tata Steel plant at Jamshedpur. It is in public sector, or B option private sector, C option joint sector, or D option cooperative sector. Yes, yes. What is your answer, friends? Yes, it is B, private sector. Out of 10 large plants in India, it is the only plant which is set up in private sector. Okay. Now next question. Which of the following are related to manufacturing? Manufacturing. A. Rearing of animals. We have here 5 statements, and out of these 5 statements, which statements are related to manufacturing? Statement 1, rearing of animals. Statement 2, making of yarn from cotton. Statement 3, traveling from home to school. Statement 4, buying vegetables. Statement 5, value addition. So rearing of animal is actually primary activity, we all know. Making of yarn from cotton, yes, that is there. C, traveling from third statement, traveling from home to school, that is service. 4, buying vegetables, that is also again related to trade and commerce, so service sector. Yes, statement 5, value addition, because raw materials are transformed into goods, their value is increased. So statement 2 and 5 are related to manufacturing. So that is why C option is right. Statement 2 and 5 only. Okay. So in this manner we can derive our answer very easily. Now move to the next question. Which of the following statements are related to information technology? Again here we have 4 statements. Bangalore is often termed as electronic capital of India. Statement 2, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow and Coimbatore are important centers of this IT. Statement 3, there are 12 software technology parks in the country which provide single window service and high data communications to software experts. And statement 4, it generates large scale employment opportunities. So first option, yes, electronic capital Bangalore is there, that is why it is correct. Second option, all these cities are famous as IT hubs or centers, that is also correct. Third statement, 12, in fact we have 18 software technology parks in our country, so that is why statement 1, 2 and 4 are correct. So in this way, what should be the correct answer? Option D, 1, 2 and 4 are correct, right? Now move to the next question. Which of the following iron and steel plant is located in Chota Nagpur region? A. Vijayanagar, B. Salem, C. Visakhapatnam and D. Rourkela. Yes, what is your answer? Yes, dear friends, it is Rourkela, located in Odisha, northern Odisha. Actually, A. Vijayanagar in Karnataka, B. Salem in Tamil Nadu, C. Visakhapatnam is in Andhra Pradesh. So they are away from Chota Nagpur region, and D in Odisha is in Chota Nagpur region. Okay. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is correct about basic requirement for aluminium smelting industry? It is very famous metallurgical industry in our country. It is also known as mineral based industry. So let's look at the 4 options. A. Capital and market. B. Bauxite and abundant power supply. C. Labor and transport. And D. Water and climate. Actually all factors are important for the location of industries, but particularly for aluminium smelting industry, which option is the best option? That we need to find out. Yes. What is your answer, dear friends? Yes, you are right. It is bauxite and abundant power supply. These two are very, very important requirements for the location of aluminium smelting industry. Okay. Now move to the next question. In our country, first cement plant was set up at which city in 1903? A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. Delhi, D. Chennai. So it is, what is your answer? Yes, it is Chennai. So D option is right. It is Chennai. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is in private sector? We have 4 options here. A. Bhilai Steel Plant, B. Amul, C. Bajaj Auto and D. SAIL. Yes, what is your answer, dear friends? A. Bhilai Steel Plant. How can it be is in public sector. Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited, that is in cooperative sector. Bajaj Auto, yes, that is private sector. And SAIL is an authority, it is an authority which is dealing the marketing and production of steel in our country. So that is why, yes, C option is right. Okay, dear friends. So I hope you have understood all the questions, and this type many MCQ questions can be framed. I would suggest you people, you yourself should try to make your MCQs, and these MCQs will be helpful in elaborating your answers for 3 marks and 5 marks as well. Okay, so thank you very much for your precious time. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you all. Bye bye.